What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo! Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of POHBOYS Garage, and today we're working on the Cressida. Getting the fuel pump situated because, I don't know, electrical issues, yeah, we figured some stuff out, but it might be a bad fuel pump. And luckily, a while back when we were first working on the Cressida, I bought one. It's in the trunk. So yeah, let's just jack up the car and see what we're dealing with. Woohoo. But before I do that, check these out. Found some cool manga tuners, little freaking Bozozoku style. That's kind of cool, huh? So let's see, let's go get it from the trunk. It's been a while since I worked on this car for sure. Yep, back here still, the fuel pump. Can't wait to install that. Hopefully that'll fix it. I also have some tail lights, some more, I guess, license plate holder. I don't know. Well, these ones are pretty good because right now I'm missing all on both sides, missing this, and then it's cracked right here. To me, I mean, you can't really see it, but to me, I know it's there, so I don't like it. Replace that tail light, and then also interior-wise, I grabbed the little armrest. This is a nasty one. I pulled it out of a burnt Cressida at the pick-apart. But all I needed was this whole base, and I could redo all this. And then I also grabbed a spare driver's side mirror because this one over here is a little messed up. Pretty gross, pretty ugly. I didn't like it, so nice little upgrade for sure. But we'll get to that. We'll get to all of this once we figure out the main issues. This is all simple stuff right here that I could do any day, and I'll make another video of it, obviously. But for now, I really want to just take care of the starting issue. I want to get the fuel pump in, and hopefully after that, it'll solve everything. Ugh, look at that donut. If you don't remember, and the reason why that looks like that is because the 240 has the Cressida rims for a drift event. I needed those for the front, and I'll get to that in a little while. Really, I'm just waiting on some parts for the 240. Gotta sand it and all that stuff, and yeah, not too much happening with the 240 right now. It's all about the Cressida. Let's get this thing going. So let's grab the jack and jack stands and go underneath the Cressida. Cool, car's up on the jack stands. I can finally go underneath it. Ever since I bought this car, I've never actually jacked it up or looked underneath the car to see what the previous owner did. But now that it's up, I can fix the oil leaks, fix whatever is nasty underneath there, and of course, fix the fuel pump. So let's see what we're dealing with, right? All right. So, if you guys ever wondered what it looks like underneath the Cressida, here you go. Alright, let's see. Probably need some light in here. We'll get some light a little better. Just look at stuff. Alright, woohoo! Got some light. The old POHBOYS lighting always comes in handy. So now we'll be able to see what we're dealing with. It's pretty much. I have an idea on what to do. You know, the concept of everything, but I just never actually dropped a fuel tank by myself. So it looks pretty simple. Looks like this has like a little casing over it. This piece right here, probably unscrew it, move it out of the way, and then you have one, you got two. But before I dive into all that, I need to change before I get a bunch of fuel all over my jacket, and that won't be fun. So let's go get some gloves, some goggles, and get a different hoodie on because it's a little chilly, but don't feel like messing this jacket up. Woo! And that little I guess like a plate, splash guard, whatever, I don't know. But it is connected to the gas tank right there. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this and see what else is behind there. Let's check it out. Yeah, and for that one, you got use a 10. Check that out. All the nasty stuff behind that little cover. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, another thing that I wanted to mention is let's remove the fill cap. Because once we drop it, once we get to that time where we need to drop the fill tank, it goes up and inside right there. So yeah, let's do that next. Another important safety thing to do is unplug your battery. I don't think I've done it. Let's see. The battery's still connected. Yep. Battery's still connected, so let's disconnect that right now. Let's do both. Alright, so cool. So I got the jack with some wood to help me out. So once I loosen these top straps, it'll probably dip down a little bit and I'll have the jack hold it up and then I'll remove the hoses up there. Alright, cool. That's simple. Remove that one and this one up there. So now I'm going to lower the jack a little bit and maybe it'll tilt down and I could get up top and remove the hoses so I can fully bring it down. So let's try that. Let's see what happens. Alright, so it came down just a little bit, but I got kind of caught up with the little filler for the gas tank up there. But once I wiggled it a little bit, it dropped it down. I got a little bit more play. See, a lot better. So I'm gonna drop it down a little bit more, get more clearance. I was thinking I could probably just disconnect them right here and drop it down. I almost forgot about this. Make sure inside your trunk you disconnect these wires. And then it goes right through. So when you're dropping the tank, you're not snagging on your wires. And there's the fuel pump right there. We're getting to. Alright, let's go back under the car, drop it down a little more. So I think all this just got a little bit easier. Look at it, check it out. All that room right now, all I did was tilt the gas tank down at an angle and I'm able to get a lot more free room right here and get to the tank. Just got to remove all those little tiny screws holding the cap on and then we'll pull it out and then we'll replace it with the new fill pump. Easy, right? Woohoo! I'm gonna lower the jack down a little bit more so hopefully I'll be able to yank it out, but pretty much that's it. And there you have it, folks. It took a little finessing to pull it out at an angle, but we got it. So now just gotta disconnect the two bolts holding it on and then the hose that goes up. Take that off right there and replace it with the good stuff. There's the new pump, the new hoses and little clamps and stuff. This is what holds on to the bottom over there. But here's the little filter it came with. All right, cool. Got that button down, man. Looking really good. All we have to do is drop it back in the tank and connect everything, and you know, jack it back up and everything else. Super easy though. We'll get it done in no time. We'll just drop this inside and bada boo, bada bee, bada boo. So I got it in, guys. Check it out. Just throwing the little tiny bolts on, the little screws on right now. Now on the plus side of everything, those lines I thought they were leaking, I pulled them off and they're still pretty fresh. No cracks, nothing crazy. So I was looking and I think all that nasty gunk that was on the line from all the grease from here. Oh, it was just super greasy, so I just cleaned everything up here. All nice and clean now. And I'm just gonna put this hose back on and then start buttoning up things. Ah, woohoo! Came right here, this is back. We got stuck right here, so I just hit it. But I think we're good. The bracket will connect. We'll grab those two bolts and connect our little latch. And we'll be good. Super easy. Oh yeah, nope. Yep, we gotta do in here too, connect these wires. And would you look at that? No jack. We're good. It's up there, nice and bolted down. Got that all situated. I put the gas cap on already, so that's good. I connected everything back here. All those wires are connected, so that's good. All in all, it's a pretty simple process. I know I keep saying that, but it was not too bad. Now I wonder just doing this if we'll be able to hear something. Let's see if the fuel pump primes. And if not, then obviously we still have a electrical issue somewhere. We'll get the keys and we'll see what's up. Well, we thought that would have fixed the issue of the reason why it's not starting, but oh well. At least the Cressida has a fresh fuel pump in it now, so that's a plus, right? But it's all good. I bought that fuel pump a while ago when we first bought the Cressida, so it had to be done, right? I bought it for a reason. I hope you enjoy this episode. Tune in for some more action, man. I'll be doing some more stuff to the Cressida. A lot of exterior and interior stuff I'll be doing to it, but it's getting cold now. I think I'm done. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we'll solve the issue soon. And if you enjoy this episode, hit that thumbs up. And if this episode helped you out on how to replace a 85 Cressida fuel pump, cool, man. Hit that thumbs up button. First time viewer, subscribe for more stuff because I got a lot more things going on for the Cressida. And yeah, catch you guys next time. Woohoo!